Sorry about that. But from now on, stupid camera. Oh, dang. Yeah, son. Yeah, so we gotta fix it here. Oh, yeah, now I know where his logo is. It's right. And here you can see. Now let's transform and fix it. Whoa, wait. Gee. Fix it. Let's go. Fix it, fix it. Oh man, fix it got messed up. Don't worry about that. Ah, dang it. Camera again. Kidding me. There we go. Gotta fix it. Ready and to go. Yeah, so this fix it is cool. You know? Yeah. So they want me to scan a figure on the game, so I got this. Yeah, so you see on the back of the box, it's on the other side. You can see it. I guess you can see it a little bit. Small. Well, that's it. So, yeah. This was the news review of the Transformers Robots in Disguise Fix It. So, subscribe. Peace. Shout out. Boom. Boomtastic.